QQQ stock analysis, actually ETF. This is QQQ Investco ETF. Am I buying or not? Let's talk about it. Overall speaking, it's 505. When I'm looking at it from a higher time frame chart, like I've already kind of given you my most recent prediction on it, which was not so recent. It was this is September, 4 or 5 months ago. So yeah, this is ultimately how it looked like.
QQQ stock tomorrow.
3rd of September is when I started analyzing and giving you my bullish pass. Wanted to see retracements and then take things up.
I'm definitely looking forward to taking it even higher. So this is not financial advice.
And then the price exactly came down inside of the demand areas and it delivered. Simple, Like I'm talking about calling things out. There you go. That's how I called it out and when I called it out. And since this has delivered, so that's like out of the equation right now, we have this demand area. And from here on, I'm still looking to take things up. I'm not just going to necessarily like randomly buy, but if I see like a clean shift, then and only then I will take things up. Other than that, I'm not forcing anything. So I'll most importantly continue to keep you updated. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.